Hi, I'm Miss Buvvaji, and I am a high school teacher here at Holloway High School. I teach environmental science, biology, and plant science, state dual credit. What we have going on out here, it's a very unique situation because we are actually located in downtown Murfreesboro, where it's considered, this community actually is considered to be in a food desert where locals don't have the proper exposure to vegetables and fruits and healthy food. So our goal here is to have the students help create an urban garden. So right now we have carrots that we're growing. We actually have Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and then we also have a greenhouse that the students help build, and they really enjoyed that. Where we have all sorts of herbs that are growing. So it's been a really fun project.
Not long ago, we used some of these plants from our garden here to help elementary school, Bradley Academy, to make some salsa, read them a book, and grow plants themselves.